Is it? Is that what it is?
Overweight. It's excited. Now
Isn't it?
Now can it drive? It's moving. You're not even touching it. You've been practicing.
How's that? Look, let's give it some more beans.
Look at it go.
How's it? Isn't it amazing how the sounds have been set up in the chip and it's got the delays before it actually moves, so it's totally realistic. Okay, so we're going to change direction. Let's got some lights on.
And the lights change direction.
There we go.
Choo-choo.
I'm coming. That'll scare any animal away, wouldn't it?
I'm scared.
Oh yeah?
I'm not even driving it.
That's ramping it up.
Whip it in there. Coming on boost.
That's really scale speed too. Look how smooth it is.
Does it go faster?
I probably would. Shall we try it?
How fast does it go?
Let's stop it.
Change directions and ramp it up. Can you give it 100? Uh-oh.
You want to give it 100?
Yeah.
126.
Yeah. Because 130 is too much.
Is it? Well, it's ramping up now, right?
It's still not going though.
It's got to ramp up before it goes.
Really?
I think so.
You're building pressure? It's like it's taking off. Get the brakes off. What's happened? Oh.
That's the brakes off now, isn't it?
It's in neutral.
What's on the brakes?
You're not allowed to drive it like that, clearly.
That's a horn.
No. You can't do a race start. Direction.
You like it? It's going in the right direction now.
You slipped the clutch, maybe. Maybe you fried the clutch.
Sometimes you've got to push the right buttons, right? I got it right before. All right, let's power it up slowly, right?
No. It's not great TV.
How's that?
Not sure. Still not moving.
I don't know. What have I done?
I think the handbrake's on. Maybe does it only go one way?
No, we had it going both ways before.
I don't believe you.
Oh, there we go.
Go. Now punch it.
Punch it. All right. It's full.
Because it takes a while to get going, doesn't it?
It
You're not
does.
going to drive it off the engine, eh?
No. It's going to fire up again. So that's where all the programming is. It's all got the momentum and such. I mean, a real train would take this sort of time to accelerate too, right? I'm just using an emergency stop there. How good is it?
I like it.
It's pretty good, eh?
It's happy.
Isn't
That's
it?
a happy train. That's a happy train.
There we go.
Goes quiet very quickly, doesn't it?
When you take the power off it, it does
When you
indeed.
take it off the power, you expect it, like you think it's going to keep making noise, but it doesn't.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
It stops immediately.
All right.
It's
So let me
buttons
put
on
this
the bottom.
away.
What do the buttons on the bottom do?
That I'm not too sure. Someone will be able to tell us. But we'll have a closer look at that. Let's see what the guesses are.
You have a
because
closer look.
what have we got here? Oh, people are going really high now.
Have they?
Just Scotty says 615. That's too heavy.
615's too heavy, my friend.
Yeah, Retro Rob, 623 is too heavy. Oh, everyone reckons it was stuck in neutral. It certainly was. They pressed a few buttons and it started going, didn't it?
I don't know. I'm not licensed to drive trains.
Aren't you? All right, so what have we got here? So this is an Australian locomotive.
An Australian. Is that the right box?
Yes.
That says V-line on the front.
It does. It's a generic box.
Ah.
So the details are actually on the side here.
Are they?
Yes. So with the Auscision boxes, the white boxes are actually the digital ones, and the grey ones are the DCC ready ones. So what have we got here?
A box.
What does it say on the end?
It does say on the end, HO G513 SCT, red, white and black, DCC sound fitted.
Yes.
Series 1 G-Class diesel electric.
Mm.
I can even read red, white and black.
So I wonder what the history is of this, because it does say V-Line, doesn't it?
Does say V-Line
So
series.
SCT, who are they? That'll be probably a transportation company.
Southern Cross Transport.
Is it? There you go. See, you know a lot, don't you?
I just made that up.
What did you?
I just made that up.
Well done.
I just made that up,
Well
guys.
done.
Sorry.
Oh, look, this has got $5.95. That's cheapy.
$5.95
Oh,
is
look at that.
the
Anthony
big.
gets the same amount. No. So as they're still guessing, let's have a closer look at this sucker. Hey?
Is that Anthony? Anthony?
Yes.
Which Anthony? Anthony that's always... The Anthony that's given me ripping about finally.
About what?
Finally getting pit mats in stock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Finally, you've got them back in, like getting all judgy.
Judgy.
Ugh.
Judgy.
Can't rush perfection, mate.
No, I guess not. What have we got here?
What have we got here?
Look at that.
It does say G513.
Yes.
Can confirm.
It does indeed, doesn't it? Well, you got a driver in there?
What's his name?
What's his name?
Pedro.
It'd be Duncan, wouldn't it?
Duncan? Duncan and Pedro. Would that be the first engineer in there? There's two of them, isn't there? Which one's the driver? Which side do you drive from? The left or the right?
It'd be a lefty, wouldn't it?
Don't know. I'd assume so, but I wouldn't know.
Well, there you go. Windshield wipers.
Well, that's a given.
And those lights actually work there. Those front ones there. Got the nice KD coupler.
That's a good coupler.
They're nice couplers, aren't they?
We explored that last week, didn't we?
Did we? I don't remember.
Mm.
But look at the details we've got here.
What have we got?
Got little whiskery bits. Oh no, I need a train expert to tell me what we're looking at here.
They're whiskers.
Are they?
Yep, that's what they're called.
Super fine details. Look at even all the rivet details we've got here.
That's good because I'll be counting them later to double check.
Oh yeah?
Yep. So they call me Brett the Rivet Counter.
How crisp is that? Pretty crisp?
So crisp.
So crisp!
So crisp.
And we've got the details on the top here.
Doesn't have moving fans.
No, but they're photo wet covers. That's why they're
really,
so fine.
Those ones really excite me, the moving fan ones.
Yeah, there's not many that have moving fans. We have the Barkman's ones. That were moving
I don't know
fan,
why,
weren't
but just the moving fans, it's like another dimension.
they? Another dimension.
Another dimension.
All right, so on the base, you'll see these are Auscision. Fitted with the ESU lock sound chips.
Ah, the lock sound version 5. I'm glad.
And then there's the dip switches for various things. I don't know what they do. So I guess you can switch it on for which lights you want on. Am I guessing correctly?
Don't ask me. I'll agree with you.
Because it looks like they've all been switched on.
Well,
So you've got ditch lights, red markers, number boards, white markers, and headlights.
it'd be irresponsible to drive without headlights.
What?
Well,
What happens if you drive without headlights?
you can't see.
Oh,
Duncan will get lost.
yeah, you wouldn't you?
Take the wrong turn.
That's right. Especially
Can you take a wrong turn on a train?
You can. That's called derailment.
I'd find it really disconcerting to drive a train with no steering wheel,
With no steering
as
wheel.
opposed to a car with a steering wheel.
Well, they've got a throttle, haven't they?
Yeah, but
How nice is it? These are beautiful. And you really feel the weight. So the weight's going to help with...
it's got good girth.
I don't think it's just a girth. I think the weight, it could be really like
Weight.
narrow girth and be weighty, right? And still give it some stability. So the weight will give it heaps of stability.
It's going to go. It's going to go. It'll pull a few carriages, I reckon.
Wouldn't it?